Nicholas bought 7 books about plants and 5 books about fish. He also bought 2 science magazines. Each book cost $10 and each magazine cost $6. How much did Nicholas spend in all? So let's break this down step by step. First, let's figure out the cost of the plant books. Okay, so he got 7 of those, and every book costs $10. So we'll put P for plant. 7 books, $10 each, is 7 groups of 10. So 7 times 10 is 70. Now, let's figure out how much he spent on fish books. He got 5 books about fish, and those also cost $10 each. So let's put F for fish. 5 groups of 10 is 5 times 10. That's 50. Now, let's figure out the magazines. He got 2 science magazines, and science magazines, or any magazine, cost $6 each. So S is for science. 2 groups of 6 is $12 total. Now, let's add all of the costs together. So we have this big addition problem. Everything's lined up purposely. It's like I did that on purpose. 0 plus 0 plus 2 is 2. 7 plus 5 is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. Now, this is a word problem, so we need to answer with a word or a unit or something like that. How much did Nicholas spend in all? Well, Nicholas spent $132. Big money, Nicholas!